Hey everybody, it's me Devin, it's admin Chris from Love Productions. Today we got some soda pop and some Mentos, and we're going to combine the two and see what happens, but we're going to put a little twist to it. We're going to leave the cap on and see what happens. I doubt anything happens, but Chris thinks something's going to happen.
There's already 10 minutes, eh?
Have fun editing this. No, that's 10 minutes on the tape.
Oh.
Okay, what is this? Snail shit.
Watch it just explode in his face. What the hell just happened?
I don't think it lived.
I don't even see how that seems like scientifically like possible. For, like fire to actually happen from like Mentos and Coke. The bottle's like destroyed. But the Mentos are like still alive.
That's scientific evidence for something. Definitely.
That's really cool. Now like we have this on tape, it's actually pretty sick.